Assalamu everyone, hopes you all are going great and well. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to the video, welcome back to the lecture. So today once again I'm with you with another lecture and with another very exciting lecture. So let's start our today class without wasting any of our time. But before that, if you have not liked, sure please subscribe my YouTube channel, do that so and click the bell icon to get the notification of my each and every video. And Today we are gonna go through again mathematics. This is our subject that we're gonna go through, which is mathematics. And in mathematics, what we are gonna do today, I'm gonna tell you. Okay. So let us start our topic by guessing following anagram. So, anagram with the words like the words, letters, alphabets are written in an disorder form, and you need to make an order and then guess the word. You make a word. Like here, the first one is DITDIONA. So it's like when you arrange it, you can come across addition. So this is one, and then word as term, exponential as expression, and QU that is equation. Okay, so these are the anagrams, and this was an activity, a small activity. Now start. Complete the following sentences by looking at the algebraic expressions by using operation, variable, or a number. So 2y plus 3. So dash of a number y increased by 3. Double of a number or twice of a number y. Okay, you can say double of a number y increased by 3 or twice of a number y increased by 3. N divided by 3 minus 5. So quotient of n subtracted quotient of n and 3 decreased by 5, you can say. Y minus 3x, so dash of y and x, subtraction or minus of y and x, or subtracted value of y and x where y is larger of two values. 7 minus x exponent 2. So subtract dash of x from dash, subtract exponent or subtract double of x from 7. Algebraic expression. Now what is algebraic expression? In mathematics, in mathematical expression in which constants and constants, variable and consonants are laid together with the basic operations plus, minus, multiply, divide. Here are the examples of algebraic expression. For example, minus 3x minus 4y plus 2, 5.67, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 6z divided by 3 or 0. These are all the algebraic expressions, as well as x divided by 4 minus y divided by 3. So these are all the examples of algebraic expressions, because the mathematical, basically the expression is basically in which constants, variables and constants, they are linked together with basic operations. Now what are the basic operations? Plus, minus, divide and multiply. These are the basic operations. So this is first of all known as an algebraic expression. Okay, now we are having open and closed sentence in mathematics. So what is an open sentence and what is a closed sentence in mathematics? So first of all, look at the first example we're having is okay, we're having is 4 is a factor of 32. So 4 is a factor of 32. It's a closed sentence because we know that it is true. So if you believe that anything is true, that means that it is open sentence. If closed sentence, if you think anything is false, it's also a closed sentence. But where you're not confirmed regarding that is it true or false, that is an open sentence. Then minus 1 is less than plus 1, so we know this, so it's an closed sentence. Minus 1 multiplied by 3 is equals to minus 3, so we also know it, so it's a closed sentence. So these are all the examples of closed sentences. You can decide whether these are true or false. Whereas sum of a number and 3 is 8. We don't know about the number. It can be even though 4. So 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 7, not 8. So it is a wrong statement, and it's we cannot say it false because we don't know that what is the number. if they're talking about 5 plus 3, so that can be true, but here we don't know the value of the number, so it's an open sentence. Then y minus 6 is smaller than 7, so we don't know the value of y here, so it's an open sentence. 5 is smaller than x, so we don't know the value of x here, so it's an open sentence. 3 is a factor of y, so we don't know the value of y, so it's an open sentence. So we can't say whether these are open or false unless we know the value of unknown. So these all the examples of open sentences. An open sentence in mathematics is neither true nor false until the variables have been substituted by the specific values. Like until unless we don't know the values of the variables, we can't say that whether it's true or whether it's false or whether it's closed. Algebra. Okay, so okay, so once again, listen to me. An open sentence in maths means that it's that is used in variables, meaning that it's not only known whether it's not the mathematical sentence is true or false. A closed sentence, on the other hand, is a mathematical sentence that is known to be either true or false. Now, for example, the equation x plus 3 is equals to 7 is an open sentence because it contains a variable x. When x is assigned a specific value such as 4, the open sentence becomes a closed sentence. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7 can be evaluated as true sentence. If all the boundaries points are included in the sets, it is a closed sentence. If all the boundaries of points are not included in the set, then it's an open sentence. For example, x plus y is greater than 5. So it's an open sentence, whereas x plus y is greater or equal to 5 is a closed sentence. Closed sentence. Set x is greater than is equals to 5 and y is smaller than 3 is neither as a boundary x is equals to 5 includes, but y is equals to 3 is not included. Okay, and then we are having the algebraic equation. So you should know what is an algebraic equation. An open sentence which contains an equal sign is an equation. The following are the examples of linear equation. For example, x plus 5 is equal to 7, 3y is minus 7 is equals to 9, y minus 5 is equal divided by 4 is equals to y 4y minus 2, and x exponent 2 plus x is equals to 6. So equations like x plus 5 is equals to 7, 3y minus 7 is equals to 9, y minus 5 divided by 4 is equals to 4y minus 2, which contains only one variable and highest component of variable is known as 1. They are linear equation, one variable. Okay, but first of all, coming through an algebraic equation. Now, an algebraic equation is basically that in mathematics you can say that an algebraic equation or polynomial equation is an equation that form where p is polynomial with coefficients in some fields, often the fields of the radiation numbers. For example, is an algebraic equation with integer coefficients is a multiplicative polynomial equation over the radiation. So basically, algebraic equation states that the equality of two expressions formulated by applying a set of variables of algebraic operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, raising to the power, and extraction of a root. So this is basically an algebraic equation, and it also contains an equal to sign. Then coming towards the linear equation. So linear equation basically an equation. A linear equation is basically an equation where you can say that highest expo where you can solve a solution, and linear equation basically where is an equal to sign and you can solve it, and it has basically it can be in one variable, two variable, and three variable also. In equations or inequalities, a sentence which contains greater than, less than, not equals to, greater than, equals to, less than, equals to sign is called an equation or inequality. Following are the examples of inequalities equation. X plus 5 is greater than 7, 3y minus 7 is smaller than 9, y minus 5 divided by 4 is greater than or equal to y 4y minus 2. So these are basically in equations or inequalities, you can say them all where they this type of things are used. Okay, take the algebraic sentence from the following. So first one is algebraic sentence and second one is third. Okay, match the following. Okay, so here you have to write at which statement is a type of sentence, open, false. Okay, it's already solved here. You have a look on it. Okay, so check whether the given sentences are true for given values or not. Like 3x plus 7 is equal to 13 for x is equals to 2. So now you need to check from one way or another way. Like one way is 3x plus 7 equals to 13, 3, 2 plus 7 is equals to 13, 6 plus 7 equals to 13, and 13 equals to 17. So given sentence is true for x is equals to 2, and second one, I'm not gonna go through the second method. I'm gonna go through the second. Okay, divided by 7 and minus 5.8 is smaller than 4.9 for k is equals to 42. So 42 divided by 7 minus 5.8 greater than smaller than 4.9, and then 6 minus 5.8 smaller than 4.9. So 0.2 greater than 4.9 false, as 0.2 is not greater than 4.9. So it's false for k is equals to 42, or 0.2 is small less than 4.9. So given sentence is false for k is equals to 2. So this is how you need to do it. Now let's let y to denote the unknown value of the linear. Okay, these are some such. Okay, so here let's come to it. So that's why denote the unknown like the linear equation for each of the following situation. If a number is decreased by 13, result is 20. So let the number be y. Number decreased by 13 is equals to y minus 13. Required equation y minus 13 is equals to 20. Like Ali opens his notebook, observe that the sum of two pages in front of him is 23. So whether it shows the consecutive numbers. So first page is y, next page will be y plus 1. So required equation is page number 1 plus page number 2 is equals to 23. So y plus 1 is equals to 23. 2 times of a number decreased by 4 gives 46. Let the number is equals to y. Twice 2 times double of a number is equals to 2y. 2 times of a number decreased by 4 is equals to 2y minus 4. The required equation is 2y minus 4 is equals to 46. Sum of 3 consecutive numbers is natural number is 33. So let the first number be y, second number be y plus 1, and third number be y plus 2. Required equation first number, second number plus third number is equals to 33. So y plus 1 plus y plus 2 is equals to 3. The think of a number multiplied by 5 and then subtract 7 from it. The result is 28. Let the number is equals to y. Product of number and 5 is equals to 5y. Subtract 7 from the product 5 and number. 5y minus 7. Required equation is 5y minus 7 is equals to 28. The length of a rectangle is twice its width, and its perimeter is 48. Let width is equals to y. Length is equals to 2y. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 length plus width, or 2l plus 2w, or l plus width for this. Width required equation is 2l plus 2w is equals to 48. 2y plus 2y is equals to 48. 4y plus 2y is equals to 48. 6y is equals to 48. The sum of a quarter of a number and 36 is 3 whole 1 by 2, or of a number. Let the number is equals to y. Quarter of a number is equals to 1 or 4 of y is equals to y or 4. 3 whole 1 divided by 2 of a number is equals to 3 whole 1 divided by 2 y. Equation is 4 divided by y divided by 4 is plus 36 is equals to 3 whole 1 divided by 2y. The sum of the 4 consecutive odd number is 56. So let the first odd number is equals to y, second odd number y plus 2, third odd number y plus 2 is equals to y plus 4, fourth odd number y plus 4 plus 2 is equals to y plus 6. Required number first number plus second number plus third number plus fourth number equals to 56. Y plus 2 y plus 4 plus y plus 6 is equals to 56. Y 4y plus 12 is equals to 56. So 4 subtracted from a quotient of a number and gives 6 gives 0. Let the first number is equals to y. Quotient of a number and 6 is equals to y divided by 6. 4 subtracted from quotient is equals to y divided by 6 minus 7. Required equation is y divided by 6 is minus 4 is equals to 0. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 60. Let the first number be y, second number be y plus 2, third number is equals to y plus 2 is equals to y plus 4. Required number is 1 number plus second number plus third number is equals to 60. y plus 2 plus y plus 4 is equal to 63. Y plus 60 equals to 60. The man is 3 times old as his son. In 10 years, the sum of their ages will be 76. So let present age of son is equals to y. Father's present age is equals to 3. Y age is in 10 years. Son age is equals to y plus 10. Father's age is equals to 3. Y plus 10 required age. Son's age plus father's age is equals to 76. Y plus 10 plus y. 3y plus 10 is equals to 76. Y 4y plus 20 is equals to 76. So this was it. Hope you like it. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Take care and Allah Hafiz.